I typed one command into my terminal. 20 seconds later, I had a CEO, a CTO, a marketing team, and a content writer, all running simultaneously, all reporting to me, all on a hard budget I set. And I was just watching it from a dashboard. This tool hit 35,000 GitHub stars in under a month. People are calling it the interface of the future. It's called Paperclip. It's completely free, fully open source. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it works and how to run your own autonomous company. Quick disclaimer before we dive in. This is not another chatbot tool, not a workflow builder, not a prompt manager. The website says it plainly. Open source orchestration for zero human companies. Real infrastructure, real agent coordination, real cost controls, real governance. One builder on X summed it up perfectly. Openclaw is an employee, Paperclip is a company. That one line is the most accurate description of AI tools I've ever heard, and the rest of this video is going to break down exactly what it means. So let's move on to the installation side of it. Firstly, it is fully open source. It actually has MIT license. And then here's a little bit about how it works. Right now, when you just go ahead and launch it up, you're going to launch it from a terminal, and then it's going to open up, and now what you're going to do to get started is you're going to either go to the GitHub or you're going to go to right here, paperclip.ing. I will put a link in the description, and you literally just click on get started, and what happens is it brings you down here to this command, and that's all you have to run in your terminal. So if I copy this and I go to my terminal, and don't worry, if you don't want to be in a terminal, you don't have to. You just paste this in, and then what it's going to do is it's going to bring up the actual server. As you can see, it just opened up my computer, and it would bring you to this local host where you would now onboard. And because I've already onboarded, I don't have to go through that, but basically it would look like this. Now let's understand its core mechanic, the heartbeat system. Agents don't run 24/7. That would burn through your API budget in hours. Instead, they wake up on triggers, a scheduled interval, a new task assignment, a comment that mentions them, a manual trigger from you, or an approval decision being made. When an agent wakes up, it follows a strict 9-step protocol. Step 1, check identity. Who am I? What's my role? What's my budget? Step 2, handle pending approvals. Step 3, check inbox. Step 4, pick highest priority task. Step 5, atomic checkout. The system locks that task so no other agent can touch it simultaneously. Step 6, understand full context. Step 7, do the work. Step 8, update status and comment. Step 9, delegate subtasks if needed. Then back to sleep. Here's where the company metaphor becomes literal. Every agent has a role: CEO, CTO, copywriter, designer, QA engineer. Every agent reports to exactly one manager. The CEO reports to you. That's the org chart. Tree-based hierarchy, clean chain of command. Managers can create tasks and delegate to their direct reports. Agents can escalate blockers upward. And critically, agents cannot hire other agents without board approval. That board is you. The CEO can't execute a strategy you haven't reviewed. Every hire comes through your inbox for approval. And at any point, pause, override, reassign, terminate. You have full control over every agent in the org, always. This is the feature that makes Paperclip viable for real use, not just experimentation. Every agent gets a hard monthly budget. At 80%, the agent gets a soft warning and starts prioritizing only critical tasks. At 100%, it auto-pauses. No more heartbeats until you increase the limit or the budget resets. No surprise API bills. No runaway loops draining hundreds of dollars overnight. You can track costs per agent, per task, per project in real time. $30 for your content writer, $60 for your CEO, $50 for your CTO. Set it once and the system enforces it for you. And because Paperclip is model agnostic, you can mix Claude, GPT-4, Gemini, Codex, whatever. You can put cheaper models on your lower stakes agents and save your expensive models for the CEO and CTO where judgment actually matters. Now, here's the shortcut most people miss. Paperclip has an official GitHub repo with 16 full company templates. We're talking a full service AI agency with 167 agents across 10 divisions, a dev consultancy with 49 agents and 66 skills, a multidisciplinary science lab with 54 agents and 177 skills, and a security auditing firm, an investment analysis desk, a game studio, all ready to import. Paperclip is built for multi-company scale with a single deployment. Instead of managing separate systems for each business, you can run multiple companies within one unified environment. Each company operates independently with complete data isolation. Agents, workflows, and data remain fully separated, ensuring security and preventing any cross-company interference. At the same time, everything is controlled through a single control plane. This allows centralized visibility, management, and coordination across your entire portfolio without increasing operational complexity. Paperclip is special because it executes tasks atomically. Every checkpoint and budget enforcement is handled as a single unit, ensuring no duplicate work. Next is it maintains persistent agent state. Agents retain the same task context across cycles instead of restarting. It enables runtime skill injection. Agents can dynamically learn workflows and project-specific context during execution without needing retraining. It enforces governance with rollback. Approval gates control critical actions, configurations are versioned, and any bad changes can be safely reversed. It supports goal-aware execution. Tasks carry full goal ancestry, so agents understand not just what they are doing, but why they are doing it. It provides portable company templates. Organizations can export and import agents, workflows, and skills securely, with proper handling of secrets and conflicts. And it ensures true multi-company isolation. Every entity is scoped per company, allowing one deployment to securely run multiple organizations with completely separate data and audit trails. Together, these capabilities ensure that Paperclip handles orchestration at a fundamental level, making AI systems more reliable, scalable, and production-ready for real-world environments. Paperclip is not a productivity hack. It's a different operating model entirely. You stop being the operator and become the board. You set the mission, the budget, the rules. The agents do the rest. The tool is free. Subscribe if you want more videos like this. I go deep on AI tools every week. And drop a comment. What's the first team you'd build? A dev agency, a content operation, a trading desk? I'll see you on the next one. Firstly, it is